Good morning, sir. I am Joseph Louis S. Miraflor. I am from BSN 3 and 6. And today, I would be telling you how does it feel like to live in my hometown. So, before staying here in Cebu for my studies, I originally came from Canlaon City. Canlaon City is a peaceful and laid-back place. It's not too crowded and it's surrounded by nature. We've got Mount Canlaon there. So the view is amazing, the air is fresh, and life feels simple and calm. I think the most interesting part is definitely the area around Mount Canlaon. A lot of people hike there and it's just beautiful. There are also hot springs and many waterfalls nearby. It's perfect if you love nature or just want to chill and enjoy the view. But, however, it's not recommended to climb Mount Canlaon right now because of its restrictions. PBOK's raised alert level 2 to our Mount Canlaon because of its volcanic eruption. Most people in Canlaon works in the farming industry. We have a lot of acres of lands there, so we have to utilize it, planting vegetables, fruits, especially sayote, carrots, palay, mais, and many more vegetables. Some also have small businesses and few works in schools or the local government. It feels pretty simple, but it's honest work. And I would definitely say that it's a good place to live. It's peaceful, the people are friendly, and everything's not too expensive. If you're the type who likes quiet, fresh air, and being close to nature, then it's perfect for you. I honestly loved it here. So, as for my accommodation, I live in a modest house, not too big, not too small, just enough with my family. And honestly, it's the kind of place that feels really warm and welcoming. It's not fancy, but it's comfortable, and it has everything that we need. We have a small front yard with some plants and flowers that my mom takes care of. And out back there, we also have few fruit trees like bananas, mango, avocado, guava, and some vegetables like tomato, eggplants, and many more. The house itself has a simple layout, but it feels really homey. I've lived there my whole life, so it holds a lot of memories for me. It's where I grew up, spent time with my family, celebrated birthdays. It really feels like home. It really feels like home. So what I love the most is the peaceful vibe. Our area is quiet and you can always feel the fresh breeze, especially in the morning. You wake up to the sounds of birds and sometimes you can even hear the wind rustling through the trees. Our neighbors are really friendly. We all kind of look out for each other. I also like that we're not too far from nature. The view of Mount Canlaon from our place is something I never get tired of. Honestly, I'm pretty happy from where I am, but if I could upgrade, I'd love a slightly more polished house, more wider backyard where I could set up a much bigger small garden or even a place to chill with friends. But I'd still want to stay here in Canlaon, near my family and the mountains. I wouldn't trade this for something that includes very expensive place to live to. So one thing I own that is really important to me is my laptop. It is a gift from my brother when I graduated senior high school. It was a big deal for me because I really needed it for school, especially now that I'm taking a pre-medical course which is nursing, and we are not the type of family that buys expensive stuff all the time. So I truly appreciated it. I think my brother really worked hard for it. That's why I really take care of my laptop. I've almost had it for 3 years now and I use it almost every day. It's mainly for school. I do my assignments and research and also attending online class here. But I also use it for other things like playing and any leisures that I want. And it's really important to me because it helps me stay productive and creative. I've also saved a lot of personal stuff on it like school projects I work really hard on, photos and even journal entries. It's more than just a gadget. I know that it is something that my brother entrusted me so that it can help me in my studies. That is why when I graduate soon, I really want to pay him back and give him the luxury of life that he didn't have when he was in college, because in college He was a working student, and now I'm really thankful that he has given me the privilege to study without worrying about my bills.